Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use Copilot AI features on LENOVO Yoga Slim 7. First of all, start the Copilot using the shortcut Copilot key like this, and in case your Copilot starts an update, most probably your update will never finish, and in order to actually update your Copilot, you have to open Microsoft Store on your laptop and then search for Copilot in here. Then find the Microsoft Copilot, open this page and click install to install the Copilot on your computer. This will perform the update. After that, just press the Copilot button once again and you will see this dashboard in front of you. Well, it's not exactly the dashboard, rather the chatting. I will show you the dashboard later in this video, but here we can choose the model of the Copilot. We can use Smart, Think Deeper, Study and Learn, Search, and basically ask it anything. So maybe what will weather be like in a week? It will detect your location and predict the weather in a week. So basically it just works like a regular AI assistant. Now in library, you can create and customize images in any style. Of course, to use all of these features, you're gonna need to use internet. So make sure that you have a connection. So let's create an image of giraffe wearing glasses. And we get 3 different images. Then we also have the tasks. So this is like this is the thing where you just where you tell the Copilot your tasks. This is something you want to do, and it just schedules your day. And unfortunately this feature is not yet available, so you can only join the waitlist, or maybe it is available when you are watching this video. Then we also have the discover feature with the actual dashboard that I mentioned previously. We have the weather here, we have the daily podcast, I think, and also some news, some politics, and what else, like ideas to explore, and basically, yeah, anything you would expect from an AI assistant. Then we also have the Imagine, where we have some inspirational photos for creativity, labs with audio expressions, Copilot 3D tools, portraits, gaming experience. And we also have the history right here, the history of questions that we asked from the Copilot. To access the settings, you have to click your profile, then go to settings, and here you can adjust your preference, memory, account, connections with different services, privacy settings, and the rest of it. And that's pretty much how you use the Copilot features on this laptop. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.